by 1914, the rahilly is so deeply involved in the volunteer movement that he's become their director of arms. And this means he needs to be organising how the volunteers will arm themselves. Of course, the Ulster volunteers in the north are already bringing in arms through the Larn God running, and this is one of the ways that they do the same down south through the Hoth gun running, and the rahilly is very much involved with that. Once the Erskine Childers brings in the arms into Hoth, his car, among many others, is used to disperse the arms about. As the arms are being marched in by the volunteer brigades and by na Fianna, there is the massacre in Bachelor's Walk where a number of people are killed. He turns up and wants to stop that or react to that, but it is too late. It ferments and it strengthens his idea that Ireland does need to free itself from British rule and the British military in particular.